This conference will now be recorded.
So now for doing that second one extract, the previous one I have selected the connection as live. For which one? For this one. Here live I selected. For doing the second one, I have selected the option in the data source as extract. So then only I will get the particular option in this place as extract or use extract or refresh the extract data like this. You're
Okay,
clear
sir.
now?
Yeah, that's what I didn't do it right.
Okay. So what about others? So suddenly I got shocked why, because previous class everyone have sent the assignment and the last class assignment none of you have sent. I don't know why. What is the reason? I want the reason. Anything valid reason is there? Please ping me. Just message that why you have not sent. Who have not sent? So who have sent? One person is Hermine. She has sent, and then Manvi Tanwar has sent. What about Maria Purnima Shilpa? Why ma?
Sir, sir,
Why
I
you not
had a
send
issue,
your?
sir, when I make changes in the Excel sheet and
Okay.
come do the if I refresh the data in the tableau, I don't get
Hmm.
the changes. So why is that? I was facing like I did it like of so many times and I got the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. So I told in the last class only where you open the Excel, don't close it. So for example, which file you are using here? See, for example, one more time I'll tell you. I close this one. I take that extract data, open it. Okay. So once if I open, I'll go for the sheet view. Before going the sheet view, let me make a confirmation. First, I'm going to do live so that I selected here live connections. And I have to open the file which I selected. Okay. So let me go it again. Why? Because I don't know from where I browsed. I will close it. You have to see from where the file you are selecting, from which location. So the same file you have to open it. See, from desktop, I'm selecting that. So even I have the same Excel file in the downloads and in the documents also. So if I open through this desktop, and if I open the file in that downloads or documents, if I try to make changes there, it will not reflect. I'm opening from the desktop location that Excel file, extract data. Okay. So now I choose that live connection. I'm going to the sheet view. So now sales and customer date. So whatever you want, you take it. So what I will do, I will aggregate the date functions in this place like this. Clear? So when it is there like this, see 100 is there here. Correct, right? So I go for that Excel sheet and open that Excel sheet, which is there in the desktop. Now here I will add one more. And first I have to save this in the Excel. Then go for that Tableau and just right click on the sheet here, sheet 1, and just click it as refresh. So now we are getting this one here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, you are getting the value here. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Anyone have any doubts?
So will this work even on the Microsoft Web, sir?
Yeah, you can just web. Sometimes what happens, right? When you're using live one, so when that internet is not connected lively from Tableau to live Miss Microsoft Web, that times it may not work. But we can work. It's not an issue.
Yes, so because when I was facing the same problem, I was making changes in my Excel, but it wasn't getting reflected in the Tableau. So I had
Yeah.
like even the extracted one was the same.
Yeah. Make sure that you have Excel in the offline. That means Excel applications, instead of having like live web applications, make sure that you have installed MS Office or you have Excel. So without I starting when I told Excel is very the data are very important for us. So that only we can learn. But learning times it is very important.
Okay, sir.
Clear,
Done.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
So others, what about others? Just try to see that. If you have any doubts for previous class, if you have any doubts, today's class you clear it off. So today whatever I done, tomorrow while facing the assignments, okay, if you have, you just drop a message. If I'm not replying, no problem, next class you can ask, but don't take that as an advantage. So however we are not completed, like next class we will have some doubt, okay, that's it, solved. Do it. Okay, where you got stuck, that you will it off, remaining and all you send it to me, because our live will be not having a problem. As one more person has just asked, extract I have not saved, means I have not made it the change in the data source here as extract. I'm not getting that one, that particular option should refresh. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go again here, sheet 2, date and sales. I'll swap it. So here also, when I choose it here, extract data source, I'll make this as extract. I go for the sheet. So when I make it extract, it is telling me to save the sheet. So I'm extracting the data. This is what extracting. Tableau extract. Save this. Okay, then you go for sheet 2. So whatever you do it here, you will be having that extract refresh option here, because I have selected here. In the sheet 1, you will not get that option if it is in the live. Still it is in live or extract. Yeah. Live. Again I add that particular Excel. So if I do right click here, still it is in the same position. 1 second. We'll take a new one separately for extract. And I do extract here and import the data, I'll get extract option there. If I take a new one, I'll just close this one. Suppose save it. Connect. Before connecting in the data source, I'll check it out. It is there in the live connection. Now go for the sheet. So now see, I'm not getting the option called as extract refresh. Okay, so when I select that as extract, and if I do refresh and if I go here and even do refresh here also, here also you can refresh, extract and save that file. For extract option, now you are getting. Is that clear? So what is the difference when we will get extract refresh and when we will get live refresh? So this is based on this particular options. Is that clear for everyone? Respond. Still you have any doubts in this place? Meghana, Pooja, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Smita. Meghana has left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have any doubts till now? So let me know please if anyone has still doubts in live and extract. No, right? So if there is no doubt, so I want this assignment to be completed with today's assignment. Clear, right? So I'll close this now. So today, so take this, download this data. So different data. I think already I sent around or not, I don't know. Again, I'm resending once again. This Global Superstore 2016, the Excel file, which one we are going to work it today. So let me know once you are all downloaded that. Download and connect the data to your Tableau. Then it has been opened 2 times. So please respond once it has been done. At least just drop the messages also. Thank you for Smita. Please wait for that reply. Done. What about others? Good, good, good.
Done, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Just you have to tell me that word done or message anything, so that I'm aware of that my students are working with me. Yeah. So now what I'll do, I'll take this order sheet. First, let me view the data and I will go through once on the data, what and all we are having here.
Done, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Mine is loading. Okay, let it load. By this time, just I will. Yeah. It's good. So we have something like category, city, country, customer ID, customer name, market, order date, order ID. So these are the dates, something we are having like region, shipping date, state, subcategory, discount, postal codes. So these are the data we have. Okay, so I'm confirmed that I'm going to take this particular data. Just do a double click here. So the data has been loaded. So that is nothing but what? Order sheet in the Global Superstore 2016. So it has been taken. So go to worksheet. So now I am here in the worksheets. So you can see that dimensions and measures, the left side pan. Okay. So now first what we are going to do today. So we are going to see a concept called as drill down and hierarchy. So we're going to see nothing but called as what? Drill down and hierarchy. So now let me ask a small question here. Suppose if I want, from the left side I have country and related to that country, that globe single state, postal codes and city. So many things are there like that, which I can make it together once. So which are related to one platform. Let's say like city, state, country are belongs to one hierarchy. Okay, same like others, we can see like what is this? Date, order date. Okay, so and anything else. So this can be that which are belongs to this one ship date, not order date and ship date, which is I have calendar. So these and all can be as belongs to one more hierarchy. So which are belongs to same category or can be classified into one hierarchy. Okay. So my first question, what if I want to see the sales done by the category? Okay. So first we are going to, let's what I'll do, I'll rename the sheet. Okay, so we do like, so what concept we are going to do is raw date. Only based on the date we are going to do drill down. Okay, so what is my question? What if I want to see the sales done by the category? So anyone tell me which I have to drag and drop, where I have to drag and drop. So question also I'll write it down here. Okay, I want to see that sales done by category. Anyone? Sales done by category. Sales. So if I go here, just you assume that where I can drag and drop that. See, for example, sales done by category, right? So I required a field called as what? Sales and category. Am I right? Based on the question, two things are required. So where is the category here? In the dimensions, I drag and drop it into columns. Sorry, I'll make it into rows. If I make it into columns, you are getting like this in this format. So that I'll make it into rows, and then sales, where the sales is available in measures. Okay, so where I take the sales and drag and drop it into columns. So can you see this one? You are getting this one view?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now if I want to swap it, I can swap through like this. So this will be nothing but called as nothing but how to do that basic. If I want to see the sales which is done by the category, I can do by using this method. Clear, right? So now in the same place, what if I want to see the sales which is done by date wise? Anyone? Same question, differently I'm asking. What if I want to see the sales which is done by date wise?
Order ID. Sorry, order date.
Order date. Very good. So you can take what? Order date. So where I remove this, where I can take this order date like this. I can swap it like this. Okay. So can you see order date and sum of sales are there. So when can you see which is there in the blue color? When I click on this plus button, it will get aggregated. So now I'm able to see about 2012, 2013 and 2014 and 2015. And quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and again same thing, by each is separated. Again if I click on this plus button, I can able to see this in the month wise. Again if I click on this plus button, I can able to see that in the day wise. But what happening here? So January, February, like month wise it is getting separated each and every places. So this is what called as a raw drill. Why it is called as a raw drill means we are not making anything changes. By default it is getting aggregated here in this place, which is by default it is coming like this. When I make it aggregate, so I am expanding this one, by default it is coming into 4 sections. So it comes like this, which is getting a separated one. Each and every year or quarters or everything are separated here. Clear, right? This one is clear now. Same thing, I'll go for one more shade. Here what I will do, same order date I will take it and I drag and drop it here. And then sales into this place. Now just click on this arrow mark where I'm having this order date. So can you see here? There is a portion called as what? Year, quarter, month. So this portion, it is nothing but called as discrete, which comes by default is called as decrease in this place, and where I can make it as continuous in this place. Okay, so now what I will do, just I click here, I will make it as continuous by clicking this here in this place. So now can you see a straight one line, and where the color has been turned into green. And now if I drill down, these are called as pills. If I drill down the pills, so quarters, years become quarters, and quarter becomes as months, and months becomes as week now, and days. So I'm drilling down the pills. These are called as pills, whatever I'm dragging and dropping into the place. So these are called as drill down.
So could you show this again, sir?
Again, sir.
What, ma?
Can you show it again, sir?
Yeah, I'll show you it. I'll just drag it outside. Which one? Order date. I'll just drag it outside here like this. I'll drag it in this place. I'll remove it off that. I'll remove it like this also. And instead of that straight line clear, that's better. So now what I will do, I'll take the sum of sales, drag and drop it into this place. And then I take this order date, drag and drop it into columns. Now you see in the columns, the year order date, in which color it is coming?
Blue.
Yeah,
Blue.
so that is nothing but order date. So what happens every time when I want to just see detailed, I need to click on dragging and drop. I have to dig out. I have to dig down that drilling has to be happen like plus plus plus. I have to do that each and every time. Okay, like this, like this. And one more time, what happens when I do like that, for each and everything it is getting separated like year, quarters, months, days, and that. Instead of, if I want to see like that, I will make it. So just click on this arrow mark. So can you see a portion here? Year, quarter, month, more. This is one portion which is called as discrete, and this is one more portion which is called as continuous. Clear? So now what I will do, so which is there in the discrete, I will make it into continuous. So now which I'm getting continuously one line for the entire things which is connected together, which is not separated by 2013, 14, 15 like that. And even the color has been changed, that continues. Clear? Again, if I do plus here, see now how it is happening. Again, see it here. Again, see week wise, day wise. So where I will get in a single, in a dimensions, that is nothing but continuous. I'll be getting the entire data continuously I'm getting. So it is not getting like previously how it is getting separated in this format like this. So this is nothing but called as continuous. Okay. So we can call this as date hierarchy. Based on the date, I'm doing this hierarchy. This is called as nothing but what? Date hierarchy. Based on the date, I'm doing this hierarchy format. I'll save this sheet name as date hierarchy. Is it clear this one for everyone? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I'll go for another sheet. Here, what I want to see the sales done by the subcategory. What I want to see the sales done by subcategory. So then how can I do that? Here I want to generate a report which is sales done by the subcategory. Can anyone tell me?
We have subcategories now.
Yeah, we
We'll
have
add it.
subcategory. Yeah, very good. Okay, then
And sales?
Very good. Then sales. So this is what, like sales done by subcategory. So even in the same place, what if I wanted sales done by category and subcategory? I'm clearing this now. Sales done by category and subcategory. Now how can I do it? Oh, one second, one second. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, ma. Same thing. It's very easy. What you told before, one step extra. Before you told sales done by category. Now I want to know the sales done by the category and subcategory.
Add category and subcategory to rows and sum to column.
Very good, very good, very good. So add category to rows and subcategory to rows, and then sum to like this, like this also. So it's a chart view, and if I make it in this place here, then it will be called as text view. So I'll remove it directly. If I make it to this place, where is in the show me place here, okay, it comes as text. Or else what I can do, I can take this sales and I can drag it in the text place here also. So it comes as text. Or if I drag it into columns, it will be give me as option like this chart. So which is done, sales done by the category and subcategory. So furnitures, so furniture subcategory like bookcases, chairs, furnishings, tables as one portion, and office supplies like appliance, art, binders, envelopes, this is as a second one portion, and technology as a third portion. It is giving like that. So every time I don't want to drag and drop the category and subcategory. Okay, so that each and every time if I want to drag subcategory and category, so if I'm having a work doing based on category and subcategory, I have to do presentations on that. So each and every time I can't drag the category and subcategory. So now what I will do here, can you see that I'll just scroll down up here. Can you see your subcategory in this place? Just select, just hold this one, just take this, drop it on the subcategory. Take this subcategory and drop it on the category. So now what word you're getting? Create hierarchy. You're getting this word now. Just take this subcategory and drop it on the category.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now name for that hierarchy, create a hierarchy and give a name it is asking. I will give name for like category and subcategory commonly like products I will give. Okay. So now what I will do, I will remove this category and subcategories even too. From next time onwards, if I say show me the sales done for category and subcategory means, now which one I need to drag and drop into this place? Which one?
Products.
Product.
Yeah. So which is there here, products, just drag and drop it into this place. Problem solved. And just click on this plus, it's over. So I no need to do separately drag and drop of category one time, subcategory one time. So where I have both together. So I'm telling for order date, automatically it is getting discrete, that aggregated is coming like date, year, month, quarters like that. So that hierarchy is by default it is built at. So here I'm telling how to build your hierarchy. Okay, so based on however you want it. Is that clear? You're getting anyone? You're not getting?
We are getting, sir. We are done
Getting
it.
right? You're done it. Very good, very good. So I'll just rename this hierarchy. Subcategory. So this is nothing but what? So what again? If I just click on this place, whatever I created hierarchy, right? Just I click on this place. So see, here I'm having option to remove the hierarchy, and here I'm having the option to rename the hierarchy also. If I want to remove, when I click on this remove hierarchy, automatically it will be removed. Clear? So again, if I drag and drop it here, greatest products. That's it. So now automatically the changes is getting happened here like this. If I remove that, you can't able to see the changes. Okay, so now we are done. Raw drill date. So only for date, how to drill down it. And you have done hierarchy, date hierarchy. And then we have done hierarchy based on the categories and subcategories based on the sales done. Clear, right? All these are three are okay. Check it out once. Okay, so now let's take a new sheet. Now just we will work on another concept which is nothing but called as what? Sort. Nothing but sorting. So sorting, we have different type of sort. Okay, so what are the types of sort? Some few I will explain you. Means I'll tell you list out here. What are the sorts are there? How to sorting? Okay, so there is something called as quick sort and sorting based on pills. Sort by pills and sorting by toolbar and sorting by shortcut. So these are the some of the sorting methods we use in the Tableau. Clear? Quick sort, sorting by pills, and sorting by toolbar, and sorting by shortcut method. Okay, and one more also is there, sorting by marks card. Clear? Note it down. These are the sortings what we are going to do. So because sorting our data is very important. Like sorting means ascending, descending, and normal like that. So now let me go back to the Tableau I'll take a new one. Okay, so here I want to see the sales done by the category. So now what I will do, category, I will take it. So before I take category, so what happens? Totally it is coming together because we have done that hierarchy. So I remove this hierarchy right now here. Or else what we will do, wait. So we don't want to mesh it up with everything. Let us save this one as a separate one. Let's save this as hierarchy. Okay, and I click on file and I close this one. And I'll take again the same data, Global Superstore 2016, open it. I'll take the order sheet and I'll go for the sheet view. So we are going to do, first we will do quick sort. How to do quick sort? So now let me take like sales done by the category. Okay, category, and then sales. So can you see that here? The sales which are done by the category. So now what I will do, if I want to swap it, means instead of like this, I can use the shortcut key Control W. Which one is swap? This one. Okay, I can use the shortcut Control W to swap that. So which will be swapped like this. Okay, so now let me show you which is called as quick sort. So first, if you're before doing the quick sort, can you see the sales here in this place? The left side here. Just select the sales here. Click on the sales. Once you click on the sales only, automatically you'll be able to see that ascending, descending, and normal view data. So what I will do here, can you see descending from largest to smallest, again from ascending from smallest to largest. Again, one more time, if I click, again it comes to normal. So three things are there. One is nothing but ascending to descending. Okay, that means ascending order or descending order. Again, normally that is nothing but clear the sort. Okay, so this is nothing but short, quick sort. So easy, in easiest way, quickly using this location. Okay, you can sort it in quick. So this is nothing but called as what? Quick sort. Just I'll rename it this sheet as quick sort. Done this one. Now let me make it as ascending or descending, any one order.
Sir, once again, sir.
Yeah, sure. What I will do, I'll clear all this. I'll take category. Do double click on sales also. Okay, so it is going by default for the text place. So let me drag and drop it to columns so that where I will get the visualization. Okay, I use Control W to swap it, to see it in a different vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical, like that, rows and like that. I'll just swap that and just select on this sales portion here. Then just click on based on the sales, sort ascending, descending. So this is ascending, this is normal, means clear filter, descending. So descending, ascending, and clear the sort. Clear? If I select this one, again I can do it by this also. But these are individual. This is separate one. This is separate category. This is separate category. So alphabetically, if you want, you can arrange it. But that will not come in this place. It's a different place. I'll tell you where it is. Is that clear now?
Sir, how is that WAP thing, sir?
Swap, you use either shortcut key, this one, Control W, or else just click it here. Here, can you see this location? Wait, I will just enable a key. So where it will make you to concentrate on the cursor where I'm placing it. Just a minute, I'll make that setting. So in this place, ma, see now, here,
Okay, sir.
okay, clear, right? Okay. So now, next we will show, just we will see that another option is nothing but sort by fields. Okay, so before doing that, let's take 5 minutes break. Okay, after the break, we will continue how to do sort by fields. Okay, take 5 minutes break. Some snacks or coffee, tea, coffee. Come back at 5:25. We'll continue the remaining. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now next, same thing what we have done in the previous, we'll do it in a different manner here. So I'll just take it like sales and category. Just I will switch this one. For example, I will make it the sum of sales into the columns, and I will make it to the category into that rows. Clear? So I'll go on the right
Yes, sir.
side. Yeah. In this right side, here you are miss, you're eligible to take different chart wise. So taking this any of the chart, okay, based on this chart also, okay, you can just do it what? Sorting. So one is based on a different chart, and one more is like this different chart you can select. Or else another method what you can do it, based on the text, like this. These values are right. So based on this also you can do it sort. However the values are based on the sales and category or subcategory, you can do it that ascending descending. So here you can come to know that which is the largest value and which is the smallest value, and just sort it. Okay, so here you will come to know that values how it is comes. Yeah, here largest to smallest or smallest to largest, just by clicking or by just by using that toolbar. So you can just take this as this, let it be the like this is a chart view. Okay, so like quick part one more type how you can view means based on the chart you can view it like here. Can you see here the chart? So before I was not getting based on this one. So now based on this level, the chart, you can see it here. You are getting a small sort symbol in this place. Before what I was getting the sum of sales in the left side. So now for this chart, can you see a small, just click on this, descending, ascending, and clear the filter. That means clear the sort. So in this place, it is there. Just once you made this chart, just bring the cursor here in this place here, based on this category. Just here you can use this one. Getting this one. So this will be one more same, one more different type of quick sort. Getting? Nothing, no changes. Just what you do, if you don't, you don't need to take this also. Just swap that. Once if you swap that means you'll get what? Chart. In the chart, okay, before we are done in this place like this, for example, here, we have done this based on the sales. But in this place, we are doing based on this chart using this option. Okay, chart sorting by the chart itself, not by same of some other things. Clear? It's very easiest one, just small step. And let me go for the third one. how to sort it by toolbar by using this. So which is called as toolbar here, which is called as toolbar here, ma. One second. Sorry, someone was talking up. So now tell me, the next we are going to see is nothing but based on the toolbar. Which is toolbar in this place? Which is toolbar in this place? So this is nothing but called as toolbar, right? So this is called as tab, and which is called as, these are the tools where we can see as toolbars. So in the toolbars you see, can you see here? Sort by ascending by sum of cells within the category. Okay, descending by sum of cells within the category. Yeah, this option right here. So now what I will do, I want to sort it using that help of the toolbar for category, and let me take like subcategory also. Like this here. So can you see here like this? So first create this view. Let me tell you that. So one is sort, ascending, descending. Subcategory wise, ascending, descending. So first let me know that whether you have created this chart or not. You're getting this one? Respond anyone?
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay, so now what I will do, basically if I click here, so ascending smallest to largest, largest, smallest, again smallest to largest like this, again smallest to largest like this. Okay, based on the each category wise, okay, or subcategory wise, it is getting what? Sorted. Or else like only for office supplies, if you want descending like this, you can make it. So here also you can do the sorting. So sort based on the subcategory, and if you want to clear the sort, wait. If you want to clear the sort, you can clear it here also. But now what I will do, first let me remove this here, out, both out I'm removing. I will make category and subcategory into one hierarchy. Then that one I will take it here like this. Let us click on this category and go for sort. Can you see this is one more method? So when we are doing this using this method toolbars, okay, and there's one more method where I click in this place, filter, sorry, sort. So can you see here, data source, alphabetically you want to do, means arrange or sort the data by alphabetic or field wise, like sales, order date based on what, field name and aggregations, or else manually you sort it however you wanted, which should be first and which should be second, like this, and nested. Clearing this one, again I'll do it clear. See, again I'll do it once again. Just click on this arrow mark, go for sort. Okay, so by default it is getting sort by data source order, ascending and descending. So these are descending and this is ascending. And then again I click on this one, alphabetic, ascending and descending. And then field based, okay, field name based on sales, sum of sales, and aggregation is sum or what. So for example, sum of sales are taken. For example, if I take average, okay, based on average it will be updated here. So average means what? I'll tell you what is that average here. Just click on this, measure sum, I will take average here. So based on the average of sales, it will be filtered here, means sorted. Average, again clear means it will be cleared. Again that manually, if you want which one to be first, which one to be second, that means there is no order. I am just telling based on something on my own calculations, this to be first, this to be next. For example, I want office to be first, technology to be second, and furniture to be last. So select the furniture and move it directly to last. Office first, technology second, furniture last. And now I want furniture to be second, so don't use this one. This is nothing but move to top, but just I want move one step up, like this.
Sir, again, sir, teach from average, sir.
Teach from average. Okay, so very simple. It was there by default like this, right? I click here. If I go for sort, okay, so one by default I'll get, this is data source order, how the data is there, based on that it has been arranged, it has been sorted based on the data source, how the data are there in the Excel sheet, based on that order it has been arranged here. And the next one, that only you can use as ascending or descending, descending, ascend, based on the data source. Clear? And next I take alphabetic order, ascending or descending. A, C, M, P. Again A, B, E, F, L, P, S, S. B, C, C, F and T. Alphabetically based on a subcategory, it is getting arranged, descending, ascending. Okay, and then again go based on the field wise. Okay, field name sales. So field name only we are taking sales only here, and aggregation. So field is what? Based on the sales only we are making ascending or descending order. Aggregation means you're doing sum or average, total based or average based or counting based. How? Okay, so aggregation we are given sum here, I can make it average here, or else I can make it that here also. See, just click on this arrow mark and go for measures. Before it was sum, where in the columns click on this arrow mark, go for measures sum. Before it was means now it is sum. Now I'll take as average, or I can take median or count or minimum, maximum, percentile, anything. I'll take it as average. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let it be here. I'll go for another one. I'll take here category and subcategory into the columns, and let me take sales into rows. I'll create a data like this, and I will use swap. Let it be like this. Okay. So if I want to filter only something I wanted, if I don't want something, okay, based on the sales, if I want to filter, can you see the left side sales here in this place? Okay, you just drag and drop it into filters based on what you want to filter. So that also can be done here. Sum or average, based on that only averages I wanted. It's a small slightly different concept based on filter. We'll do it again, the filter also once again, but we can use this place also, the left side portions. Okay, so and one more step in the same place. You can take like we don't want this one. Sum of say category, something but category, and then let me take the sales. Okay, take this process. I'll make it like this. So can you see the values here? So that one before what we have done is based on the chart, and this one what we are going to do is based on what? The field. These are the field based. That is chart based, and this can be done as a field based. Okay, aggregation we can do it like this also. Based on this, we can do like ascending or descending based on the numbers. So this is one more method what we can do it. Again, what I will do, clear shot. I'll clear this everything. I'll go for another concept. The same thing. This is nothing but based on called as marks card, which is called as marks card means the left side, which is the right, this place, this one. This is nothing but called as what? Marks card. This area. Okay. Based on the marks card, we are going to sort that. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll take this into columns. First, I'll remove this hierarchy. I'll take the categories into rows they wanted. So subcategory, let it be subcategory, also not a problem. Take sum of sales, and I will take and drag and drop it into colors. It's a different step. See, watch carefully. Only the profit I have to highlight it. So what I will do, I'll just take the profit and I'll drag it into colors here. So can you see the profit now? Based on this, these are the profits. So now what you do, just now you see, just if I do ascending and if I do descending. So just based on the values, it is getting ascending, descending. Now it is not getting based on any profit or colors. So now what I will do, I'll just select this one, what? Sum of profit here in this place. Just select the sum of profit. Just click on the sum of profit. Then you do ascending, descending. Right, it is getting stuck. So now you see, based on the profit, not based on the sales, based on the profit. Okay, so even I'll tell you that I'll take the profit into labels also. See, so what is the profit here? 2,58,568. And second, this one, it is high based on the sales, but the profit is how much? How I'm saying the profit? I have dragged and dropped the profit into the labels here. So that is 2,16. So based on the sum of profit, I'm showing in the ascending, descending order. So this is slightly difficult. What and all we have done right now is totally difficult. Understanding? What, no replies? This one, last one is clear for you.
So could you show
Okay,
me
now
this?
I'll just ask you the question.
Sir,
Yeah, I'll show you once again. Yeah, tell me, ma. Hello, I'll show you once again. Yeah, I will ask you, tell me now what I have to do it. So what I'll do, I'll take sales into the columns, and I'll take that rows into subcategory. Okay, it's like this. Okay, and I'm taking this profit. Based on the profit I want to find out. So let me drag and drop the profit into the variations. Now it is there like this. Directly using the toolbar sort, if I use like this, so based on what it is getting arranged, can anyone tell me based on what it is there in that ascending order? Based on what it is there in the
Based on
ascending order here?
subcategory.
Based on subcategory, yeah. Subcategory is nothing but labels, fasteners, envelopes, LFEP. I think here no alphabetic orders are coming. Others?
Based on sales.
It's based on sales.
Very good. Based on sum of sales. Sales 73,350. Can you see? When I place the logo 73, when I place the cursor on that 73,350, 89 sales you see. Profit above is that. Last is sales. Okay. And descending also same. This is ascending, descending based on the sum of sales. Now I want to see descending order, ascending order based on sum of profit. So then what I have to do? So left side I've taken sum of profit and I dragged and dropped into the colors. So let it give some variations. Now just select the sum of profit. It means just do one click on that, just one touch on that. Then you do it. Now you can see the arrangements, that lines are in order. So where this is in that sales, so its profit is minus 64,000. Then
Sir,
plus
how did you get that table, sir? Up.
this one, huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, ascending, descending, ma. First, what you do, one step I'll go back.
Yeah,
See.
I'm trying, but then I'm not getting it, sir.
First, you click on the sum of profit, which is there in the colors here in this
Yeah,
place.
I did that. I did that, sir.
You drag and drop the sum of profit into colors, right? Then just click one time on that, just one touch on that. Then you just click on this. Swap between this and this.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Okay. So now
Thank you, sir.
this is descending. Yeah, very welcome. So here profit 2,58,568. The largest, I mean highest profit. Next. So you can, if you see the length of the column bar, okay, that tells the different meaning. Okay, something's in order, but what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing based on the profit. So when I just place the cursor, so what I'll do to see that, instead of just placing the cursor and see that, let me see the value next to that. So what I will do, I will take that sum of profit and drag and drop it on the label. So it will label me that 258,568, 216,717, 161,924. Can I see the numbers? It comes like this. And 64, which is in the negative, last, totally last. I hope you all of you have understood this one. Clear? So this one I'll rename it as sort based on toolbar, and this one is sort based on what? Marks card. Which is marks card? Which is marks card, my year? Which is called as marks card in this place on the left side? Anyone?
The box below the filters.
Very good. The box below the filters, this box, the entire box is nothing but what? Called as marks card. Clear? So is it clear now until what and all I have covered?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? So what I'll do, I'll create a hierarchy. So first subcategory into category. That products hierarchy in this place. Yes, I'll tell you one more thing here. Okay. So can you see your products category? Create. Okay, here one option once again. That option is not transforming here. Okay, so that what we have seen that this place itself. Like here itself, what we have done the sort, right? This is the same thing, which is dot data source, alphabetic, field, manual, and nested. So in the previous version, it is used to come here in this place also. When I used to do it here, okay, I'll get sort option here also, but here wherever it is going, okay, so here it is getting like sort default properties, but not that actual tool. So this I will get it here itself. Okay, so that one is not coming here in this place, not an issue at all. Okay, so it is coming here only. Previous version I used to get it here also. When I do here, I used to get one more option, sort, in this place. No, it is not coming here. Okay, not an issue at all. So however I told you this in this place. So this one also important. This also you see it once. Data source based on the what you wanted to do it. Okay, now clear for everyone whatever I covered today. I'll save this one as one more assignment. This is sort. So one we have done hierarchy. In that we have done around I think 4 assignments, right? How many assignments you have done in the hierarchy sheet? Check and tell me. How many sheets you have done, ma? 3, right? And in the sort we have done 5. So there 3 plus 3, 5. So however I saved as 2 sheets, save it like this and send it to me. And previous class assignments also, or else the 40 marks which is giving us a assignment marks for your marks card or for certificate. So there will be some changes in your marks card. Assignment marks which I'm giving, right? So there will be some changes if that not sent. So just is it clear for everyone once? Is there any doubts? Please clear it now. If you have any
Sir,
doubts,
last slide, sir.
last slide. Okay. Which one? The concept you tell me?
Sir,
The
the
color.
subcategory and you sort it out there, no, sir. I have doubt over there.
Yeah, I'll open it. You just ask me. Let it get open. By the time we will take up the attendance. Prajana,
Present, sir.
so sad you're telling, huh? What happened? Not understood, huh?
No, sir, I understood.
Establish hiding my screen itself here. Varshika. Oh,
Present, sir.
I think everyone got tired, huh? Slow voice. Bindu Ji. Bindu Ji. Pooja.
Present, sir.
Sanjana.
Bindu present, sir.
Where you went this much time, ma?
It took time to unmute, sir. That's why.
Okay. Sanjana L.
Present, sir.
Sorry. Sharik Q Dawood. Dawood. Chaitra V. Sorry. Srajal Sharma.
Present, sir.
Chaitra V. Anjana.
Present, sir.
Sultana.
Present, sir.
Akila Fatima. Harmahin.
Present, sir.
Viba.
Present, sir.
Manavi Tanwar.
Present, sir.
Akshata.
Present, sir.
Maria Purnima Shilpa.
Present, sir.
Meghana.
Present, sir.
Samita Dutta.
Present, sir.
Okay. Don't exit. Okay. Tell me, ma, which one you are getting doubt?
The fifth sheet, sir.
Okay. Here, this sheet. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fifth sheet. In that
Uh,
you took
yeah.
category and you.
This sort. This portion. Wait, it will come. When I click on this category, and if I click on sort this one,
Ye- Yes, sir.
yeah. So one sort by data source order. However, the data is there in the Excel sheet based on the order, but it is coming in this here. Data source order. How it is in that data source? Means source data is Excel. In Excel, in which order it is that, based on that only it is getting sorted here. And that even I can do it like ascending and descending. Okay. And again, I can clear that also. Again, next sort that by alphabetic order. Again, I can sort it by alphabetic order,
Okay, sir.
ascending. So B, C, T, you can see that. Again, descending, A, C, M, P, A. Means A to Z and Z to A. Okay. And
Okay,
again,
sir.
field based. Field is sales. Based on the sales. Okay. On sales, based on what aggregation? Sum of sales or average of sales? What? Sales is done. Total sales or average of sales or percentage of sales, based on what aggregation you are doing ascending or descending order, you have to choose it here. And then manually I have idea, this should be first, this should be second, then I have to choose it here. And finally nested one. Okay. Field name is sales or field name is what, based on what you want to filter. So which is not there, based on like what I can say, order ID count, which is not there at all here, but based on the order ID it has been ordered. But it inside that I don't have order ID. I have not taken the order ID. Did I taken the order ID inside? No, right? But however it is there in
No,
the
sir.
left side. Yeah, however it is there in the left side pan. Okay, based on that. Okay, so it is getting ordered here based on the customer name, ascending, descending. Okay, so that is what, that is last one. Based on the discount, ascending based on the discount.
No, sir. You took it from the left side, that tables and their subcategory, and you selected transform over there. Sort. I had a doubt there.
So one I did sort here in this place, one I did sort here, and one I did. So which sheet you tell me? This sheet,
Yes, sir. This sheet. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm telling. I took it here and I went for measures and I changed it
No,
here.
no.
The sum
Sheet 5, sir. Sheet 5.
sheet 5.
Yes. Yes.
Here I did
Five.
the same thing, only what I did extra here, that hierarchy was not there. Okay, I taken this
Okay.
subcategory and I made it into category here like this, and I made it like products. The same thing only. Then what I done, the products I took it from there here like this. Then I made it here. Clear, extra different one I did are not taken. So one is from that quick sort 1 and quick sort 2 for that based on that visualization and toolbar, and now what I told this one. And this side it was coming previously in the older versions. Now it is not there here. Understood, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. So one we are done based on hierarchy, one we are not, without hierarchy we are done. That's it. Don't get confused. So anything others? All are exited, huh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, remaining and all understood. Just
Yes,
drop a
sir.
message. Understood means drop a message and leave. So make sure that assignment has to be completed by next class.
Sir, today we don't have any assignments, right?
Oh, I given no ma in this sheet, in this one, in short 5 sheets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and one
Yes,
more.
sir.
Discrete. So what is that one? Hierarchy. Discrete and hierarchy. Okay, there we have drilled down and hierarchically
Yes.
we have 3 sheets there. So totally 8 sheets are total assignments, and previous class also including, I think around 10 assignments it will come today. So that is one. The short is different sheet, and that more one more is a different sheet. Hierarchy is a different and short is a different sheet.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
Understood?
we get 2 days time for this assignment?
So then tomorrow's what you will do when you submit? For that also 2 days
Sir,
time,
we'll
huh?
Then Saturday we'll complete uh
Okay,
the
like
whole
that.
week assignment. Yes, sir.
Okay. So no issue. Why? Because I told already, keep on going while going. More assignments will keep on coming. But don't take, like sir told, we will submit on a weekend. Okay, don't keep that in your mind. Try to
Yes, sir.
submit how much possible. Remaining you put it in, keep it in the hold. That and all you finally complete and send it up. One day before like that and all like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm not
Thank
giving
you.
Excuse me,
permission.
sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir, yesterday's assignment I sent it on the mail, so this assignment should be sent on WhatsApp, sir.
No, ma. WhatsApp don't want, ma. What is happening, right? Again I have to download from my phone. Again I have to through the WhatsApp web I have to download to my laptop. Again I have to view. Understood, right? What is my problem? In phone I
So
can't
should
able
be
to view.
sent on the mail,
Yeah,
sir.
if it is if you send it in the mail, what happens? Directly open the mail. Okay, I'll download it here. I will open and see it. Or if you export as PPT, also if you send it mail, it will be easy for me to view. In mobile phone, what happens? Again open with WPS. So taking so much time and taking my data also. Let it be like laptop. It will be proper for me also. And tomorrow when I give assignment marks for you, so I will search your name in my mail and I'll check all your details. So it will be easy for me to give the marks for you. I hope you will
Okay, sir.
understand what I'm coming to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. Previous batch students, everyone used to do my mailings. It will be even why, because in that WhatsApp somebody taking SAR like that and all. No issue, don't want it. Directly you send it in that mail. So privately I'll be getting your assignments. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.